A quick news update coming in from the Supreme Court. The top court, while hearing a plea on blocking of roads as a result of farmers' protests, observed that the government must find a solution. The Supreme Court has emphasized that the farmers have a right to place to agitate, but the roads cannot continue to remain blocked like this. Well, the Supreme Court weighing in on the farmers' protest blocking the roads, saying that the government must find a solution. The Supreme Court has emphasized that the farmers have the right to protest, but the roads cannot continue to remain blocked for that. Meenakshi joins us for more on this. Meenakshi, this observation coming from the top court, but it's in line with what the court has said in the past, that the right to protest remains paramount as long as it's in the right places.
Well, that's right, and that is the reason the Supreme Court thus far has not been able to pass any judicial orders on this one. And we will recall, even on an earlier occasion, the Supreme Court had stated very clearly that with regards to the right of the farmers to protest, it will not interfere in their right to protest. And even today, the Supreme Court therefore has made an observation to the Government of India as to how it is the responsibility of the government to find a solution. It is, while the farmers have a right and they have a right place to agitate, but roads cannot be blocked in this manner. So that is the area of concern. And this is happening on a plea filed by a Noida resident to highlight the continued protests of farmers, which has resulted in roads being blocked. So the Supreme Court today making an observation to the government as to how the government has to make extra efforts to work towards the solution. Court of the opinion that the solution lies in the hands of the government and the concerned respective state governments. Supreme Court noting that roads should not stop working for any reason whatsoever. And with that, the Supreme Court has granted time to the central government to look at possible solutions with regards to this and get back to the top court. So clearly, this continues to be an area of discomfiture as far as the Government of India is concerned, because the logjam between the centre and the farmers continues.
Okay, Meenakshi, thanks so much for that update.